Good morning again. The next sailing day. Today, not so much words in the beginning. I will publish a German video also, so my German family can hear my German voice, but I will copy the same sailing scenes that I appended here in the German video also. So we will see. Light wind only. We will see how it works today. As I promise, short introduction. The next scene will follow after that cut.
Yeah.
So now maybe a bit more left.
Yeah, a bit more left. Okay.
A bit, yes. Okay, nice. Так, у нас Саша. Окей. Let's go there.
Yeah.
Limassol is island trader.
Where is that island trader? You know, I don't like it because he always passes me. I think we're really good for making
Not for race sailing.
Also, very important stuff.
So the tour is over. My shoes are not white any longer. It was nice. We took out the general large sail to have some speed, even without wind. It was nice. Here you see the people are working, cleaning the boats. I have one question for you. What is this thing here? Please post it in the comments. It's not a lamp. So the other boat has this type of thing also. I don't know if I can show it. It's here. So please tell me what these things are. There's no cable going in and going out, but some devices are working with battery and radio transmission. So tell me what this is. A small thing. There's a small game to end of this video. We will see us tomorrow. Goodbye.